relax your hand.
I've always been passionate about promoting lifelong health through physical activity. And during my training, I realized how much of our patients' well-being is influenced by mobility and injury prevention. My name is Andrew Li-Yung Hing, and I'm a primary care sports medicine physician at UT Physicians. I work in a comprehensive orthopedic practice that also covers sports medicine, which allows me to care for a broad spectrum of patients. I incorporate the use of musculoskeletal ultrasound and regenerative medicine. I see children, high school, college athletes, and active seniors who want to stay proactive with their exercise routines. So working with UT Physicians is special because it means being part of a collaborative, forward-thinking team that's dedicated to excellence in both patient care and innovation. This environment not only supports my professional growth, but also allows us to consistently deliver high-quality, personalized care to our patients. And the sense of community and shared commitment among colleagues makes it a truly rewarding place to work. So I think the most important thing is understanding that I'm not only just seeing them as their physician, but we're establishing a relationship of continuity of care and hopefully friendship to come. That is the most rewarding feeling, to know that you've had an impact in making their quality of life better.